Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Anyone Can Code. Today we are going to see a second type of pattern printing. In first we have seen this kind of pattern printing: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star pattern, and then 5. But now today we are going to see this kind of pattern printing. So for this also we need to design one kind of logic. Uh, so first what I'm going to do, I am selecting the first row and I am going to name my row as I variable and my column as J variable. So this is the first row we know. Now in my first row, like I have named my row as I, so my I is equals to what? 1, right? This is the first row. And what is my J? Let's count what is J. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 columns we can see. And let's see for another also, for another pattern also. So here we can see that when my I is equals to 2, so what is my J? My J is equals to 4. Let's count whether it's 4 or not. So 1, like I have named my column as J, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 columns we can see. Now again we will just go for the second row also, and we will design the logic according to that. Now my I is equals to 3, my row is 3, and my column, that is J, is equals to 3, right? Now let's see for another also. When my I is equals to 4, what is my J? In that case my J will be equals to 2. We can see here 1, 2, right? So let's design a logic using for loop for this kind of operation. As again we are not going to write printf again and again for this, so we are going to design one kind of logic. So first I am going to, in for loop I am using rows first. So I is equals to 0. Like first we are going to start our I from where? 1. So I will assign my I as 1. After that I is what? I will go till what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I is less than equals to 5, right? After that I need to increment the I. So what I am going to use? I am going to use an increment operator for that. So I have, like, when my I is 1, after that the operation performed, my I will be equals to 2. After the operation it will becomes 3. Like it becomes 2 in the operation only, but this is that kind of operator that it will not just add the value of that incrementer first. It will add the value of incrementer after the operation. So now I'm going to design, I am adding column here also, because then only it is going to print, because this is the same kind of row and column are being here. Now my column is J, we can see. Now J is starting from where? 5, we can see. Now as we can see here, in all the cases J is like J is greater than equals to what? I. Okay, and J is getting decremented. We can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here I can use decrement operator for that. So it's minus, it's minus minus, right? And then I am going to print the star pattern. Any pattern you can print according to your choice, but I am going to print the star pattern. And after ending of every row I need to add new line so that we can see the pattern printing clearly. So I am adding new line here. Oh sorry. So I am just going to do this save in my code blocks also. So let's see how we can do. I am declaring two variables, I and j, right, for the rows and column, and then I am going to use two for loops here. Now in for loop what I am going to do, I am going to start my I column from row from 1, and I am going to till 5, and I need to use increment operator to increase the value of I again and again. And then I am going to add my column loop also. In that my j is equals to first 5, and then j is greater than equals to I, and the j is going to be decrement, as we know, because it was here, it was 5 4 3 2 1. We have seen it's 5 4 3 2 1, right? Let me write it here, otherwise you will get confused. So for that case, I is equals to 5 and j is equals to what? J is equals to 1. So let's edit here. Now I am printing here printf what the star pattern, right? Just forgot here my termination, and after that I need to add new line for every new row. So I am using \n, that is the characters we know. Now let's see whether our code is right or wrong. First it will check the code is right or wrong, and then after that it will compile, right? So here, as we can see, that this is the pattern which I show you, and it's printed here, right? This is what the pattern was, and this is what I got. Okay, wait. This is what I got, as you can see. So this is the second pattern printing. Now further I am going to add some more pattern printings also. So for that you have to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel again and again, so that the programmers who would like to be a programmer, the people who would like to be a programmers can learn the basic thing. Because if you don't understand the C concepts, you are not able to understand the C++ concept, and further more languages for that. So for basic concept, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.